Hello friends, welcome to our kitchen. Today we will make soft and delicious Kalakand at home with just a few ingredients. First, we will prepare chana. Take fresh milk in a pan and warm it slightly. Add white vinegar. The milk will start curdling. Gently stir with a spatula until it fully curdles. Strain the curdled milk in a strainer. Rinse with little water. Rest for a while. Then transfer to a plate. Lightly mash with your hand and your fresh chana is ready. Now we will prepare the Kalakand mixture. Heat another pan and add milk. Boil on medium flame and keep stirring malai from the sides. Cook until the milk reduces to 1/3. Add the prepared chana. Mix well. Add cardamom powder for flavor. Mix well. Ingredients list is in description. Now add sugar. Stir until it melts completely. Add a spoon of ghee and keep stirring. Mix in some milk powder for richness. Cook on low heat, stirring continuously until thick. Transfer the mixture to a greased plate. Spread evenly and garnish with chopped dry fruits. Refrigerate until set. Cut into pieces before serving. Soft, creamy and delicious Kalakand is ready. Try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.